I'm not
Oh God.
not in the mood right now. I need to get into the mood.
You are in the mood. Just keep saying something and I will catch it.
Saying something.
Hello everyone!
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone! Kamusta kayong lahat? Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, at magandang hapon. Pupunta kami sa convenience store. I-check namin yung convenience store na to na we never been here before, but what is it? My friend told me that they are selling a Filipino stuff. At tapos chinek nga namin, nagpunta kami, bumili kami ng friend ko ng malaking bangus guys, napakalaki. Tapos nagsasell sila ng mga iba't ibang mga Asian stuff. Kahit maliit lang yung convenience store. This convenience store is very close to us.
Yeah, it's just around the corner. We've got quite a few of these little stores around, but I've not been in this one before.
We've never been there.
So I'm curious to see.
I've been one time pala with my friend.
I'm curious to see what Asian foods they have, and then we'll just go popping into all of the shops and see what we can find today.
Yes.
Just in our town.
Yes, we want to hope we get the Filipino stuff. Filipino
ingredients.
Yes.
Yeah.
So guys, papakita namin sa inyo. We will show to you.
And then we'll have a coffee as well.
Yes.
And maybe a little snack.
Oh, my husband will treat me a coffee.
Yeah.
Thank you, love.
All right.
Because I'm a good wife.
Okay.
Good wife always need to be treated nice.
Okay. Tara now, let's go.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. See you again. Sa cold. Yung kamay namin. Oo, ang lamig, guys. Yung kamay ko, ayan na parang nag-yellow na. Kasi yung yung hangin.
So it wouldn't be too bad if it wasn't so windy.
Oo. Nakawindi, maaraw nga, pero napakalamig.
It's like freezer cold.
Lamig, grabe. Maganda mga nagkakalagas ng mga dahon. Ang ganda nga ng weather, pero grabe, ang lamig. Ang lamig talaga yung kamay ko. Sobrang lamig. Okay, oo, magkakape muna kami. Pero dadaan muna kami dito sa, malapit lang tong convenience store na to. Maliit lang to. Titingnan namin kung mayroong mga Filipino food. Yeah, of course. Ang daming mga dahon. Mga nagkakalagpakan. This is in here. Meron sila ditong mga
Space Raiders. 125.
What is
Should be
that?
able to get a little packet of that for 10p when I was a kid.
Should we get that and we want to try it? It looks like alien.
I don't know, she'd like it. It's pretty good onion.
Here. Over there is what is it? Like, we need to get this. Ito, meron silang Mang Tomas. Tsaka may banana ketchup sila.
Noodles.
I need to get another one of
this.
this. Oh. I will get one of this. Wait. I like it with cheese.
There's some new things in the freezer.
Oh, good. Thank you. Ay, ding dong, babe. They have this. Can you hold this, please? Meron din sila dito. I like this. Okay. Meron pa silang pansit. Pero marami pa akong...
Quite like the garlic chili sauce.
Oh yeah, why not try it? It's because this is gonna be heavy.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get the fridge. Let's check the fridge, babe. I'll get this. Pwede sila dito. Maliit lang to guys, yung mga tindahan nila. Buti meron silang mga Asian.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's Lugo, I think.
Yeah.
Lugo.
They have again? They have bangus again. Wait, they have hot dogs at this kain na. Ha?
You said it was Lugo.
Langganisa. They have this.
Lugo, what is that?
The blood, the blood.
Blood sausage. Like black pudding.
Yeah, maybe like that. Chicken langganisa. I want to get this, but it's frozen. Maybe when we go back.
Yeah.
Kasi we will bibili pa tayo, magko-coffee pa tayo, so we will pay for this and go back later. Okay, babe? I think she would like that. Let's get her a drinks later.
Yeah.
So guys, nandito kami sa maliit lang tong convenient. May langgonisa sila, mamaya dadaanan namin yung langgonisa nila. Tsaka hotdogs, they have hotdogs also. Tsaka wait. Ay, they have siopaw, babe, oh.
Asado.
Oo. Asado. And they have bangus also. Very nice. Very nice. Get it later. Okay, let's pay for that.
Yeah.
I'll get the bag.
Lived here for so many years.
All right.
Yeah, we live just up the road.
Never been here.
You're off the main road, aren't you? We'll have to come down here.
This one we took over in February.
Oh, okay. I thought I didn't recognise it. Right. Okay. Are there other similar products in there?
No, this one special.
Oh, I see. I was thinking about that.
The building in there.
Thank you.
Thank you. I just bought Riona loads of sweets.
Really?
Yeah.
Meron din silang dito, mga madalisig na gulay. Okay, let's go. So guys, magkakape muna kami. Ang bango ng asawa ko, sobrang bango. You smell really nice, but it makes me feel dizzy because you smell too nice. It's so strong. Yeah.
The part of the app.
Yeah.
Remember?
Crackers.
Yeah. Right.
Oh yeah. You told me.
I need to connect. But he said that the jackpot is a year's supply of coffee.
Sana manalo tayo. I hope we won't. So we will get a year's supply, and we will be here almost 2 times a
Every
day. Every day, 2 times a day. It will be nice, diba? If we won, babe. It will be nice. Kain tayo, guys. Inom tayo kape, guys. Ang lamig kasi dito, kaya masarap yung mainit na kape.
Okay, so look, I got one crack.
Ito yung guys, ng pag in-open mo. Dito kasi pag Christmas, nag-o-open kami ng ganito. Cracker tawag dyan.
Go on, open it.
I will open it. Ako guys, wish me luck. Baka manalo kami. Oh dear.
Nothing.
Nothing.
One snowman says to the other, "Can you smell carrots?"
That's nice. How many that you can get?
Just the one. I thought we were going to get 2. Oh no, have I got another one? I might have another one. I got another one.
You're the one who will do it. Yeah, lucky. 1 year supply.
Nothing again.
That's a scam. It's not
I've
true.
got another one.
Okay.
This is got to be the winner.
Bravo. Oh no, nothing in it. We will not get a lifetime supply. 1 year. Oh, that's one. That one. Lifetime supply of coffee. Nothing. Hala, just stop. Leave it and do it another day. Okay, let's drink our coffee. This one. Ayan, guys, ibang klaseng cheese na naman to.
Got a massive bit of Somerset Brie there, £2.60.
Iba-ibang cheese na naman to, guys. Ito na naman kami sa cheese area. So, guys.
I'd say we'll go for a piece around the same size as that. Yeah. Thank you.
So, guys, tatlong klase na ng cheese ang binili namin. Ang daming klase ng cheese. I got that there.
Yeah, that looks about right. Thank you. I think that's it.
Thank you.
You too. Let's go back. I'll get some grapes.
Pauwi na kami, guys. Hello, guys. Ito, kauuwi lang namin galing sa labas. Ito yung binili ko, oh. Dinampot ko na doon. Nag-iipon-ipon na kasi ako, eh. Habang papalapit yung Christmas. Kesa yung isang bugsuan mo na bili. Kaya paglalabas ako, dumadamot na ako ng pampasko. Yung crackers tawag dito nila. Is it crackers, babe? Crackers. Tapos ito yung laman yan, oh. Kung alin dyan yung makukuha mo. So, katuwaan lang. Habang sa Christmas dinner namin, o-open mo siya. Habang kumakain kami Christmas dinner. Tapos may mga jokes siya sa ano. Ay, ang mahal pala! Oh, no! 26 ko. Ayan, guys. Nag-ipon na ako. Ang team namin ngayon, blue. Hindi ako nag-iiba ng Christmas tree. Ngayon pa lang ako mag-iiba ng kulay ng Christmas tree. Lagay ko muna dito. Tapos bumili ako pizza. Friday kasi ngayon, guys. Pag Friday, hindi ako nagluluto masyado. Ilang araw na din kami na ulam namin ni Riona, puro isda. Tapos yung napipilm ko, puro mga kundi pizza, tinapay. Ito yung mahilig si Riona sa coleslaw. Bumili kami ng cheese. Ayan, cheese na naman. Masyado kaming cheesy, guys. Kaya ang pinagbibili namin ayan, brie cheese. Sarap to ilagay din sa parang biscuits. Tapos ito, tawag dito, blue cheese. Medyo, ayan, may pagka-blue siya. Ewan ko baka tinawag na blue. Tapos ito, Mexican. Mexicano cheese, babe? Mexicano. Mexicano cheese. So, ang dami, no? Iba-ibang cheese na naman. Pero ito, pinaka-paborito ko yung brie. Marami na akong paborito cheese. Lagay ko muna sa fridge. Saka pepperoni, i-add ko dun sa pizza. Pamili ko ng fruits, grapes, tsaka apples. Magawa ako ng pizza burgers, homemade burgers. Hindi naman homemade kasi binili ko din naman yung patties. Ito yung patties, oh. Yun nga, pag Friday kasi easy dinner lang ginagawa ko, hindi ako nagluluto. Yan naman ang pinaka-rest ni Mami. Mami Fina. Cheese. Cheese din to, guys. Smoked cheese. Tapos salami. Bili ko na isa nito. Hira naman kami mag-chichirya. Pag nanonood lang kami. Minsan popcorn nga lang din inaano namin. Bili ko na tinapay ng dalawa sa breakfast nila bukas. Si Adrian tsaka si Riona mahilig sa tinapay. So, papakita ko sa inyo, guys, kung ano yung nabili ko dun sa convenience store kanina, yung unang store na pinuntahan namin na may tinda siya mga Asian. Ding dong! Ito, guys, nabili ko. Tapos meron pa silang mga pansit bihon. Malapit lang yung convenience store na yun dito. Ilang lakad lang. Buti meron sila. Meron din silang Mang Tomas. Meron din silang banana ketchup. Tapos babalik sana kami, bibili sana kami isda, meron silang bangus. Kaya lang ang dami na naming bit-bit. Tapos naisip ko pagbalik na lang namin. Tapos eto, bumili ulit ako ng puto. Gusto ko to sa Pasko, baka lutuin ko. Tapos bumili ako ng malagkit. Glutinous rice, ayan o. Pag gumawa ako ng biko, pag gumawa ako ng kakanin tsaka biko, ito. Tapos yun nga, meron silang banana ketchup, meron silang bagoong, meron silang Mang Tomas. Buti meron sila nandito. Kasi pumupunta pa kami ng minsan dumadayo pa kami ng 20 minutes. Pero wala silang suka. I hope they have vinegar, babe. But they don't have vinegar. Pero meron sila ng gunisa. Ganun. Pag bibili ako. Tapos yung shop na yon sa convenience store, ang dami nilang mga kakaibang sweets, yung mga candy and chocolates na iba yung flavor. So, kumuha kami para matry ni Riona. Ewan ko kung anong lasa nito. Sour. So, maasim siguro. Ngayon ako nakakita ng KitKat na ganito ang flavor. Tsaka yung Hershey. Red, white, blue. Ngayon lang din ako nakakita ng Hershey na ganito, guys. So, ayun. Hindi naman lahat yan mauubos. Pagkatikim-tikim lang yung isa-isa. So, yun lang, guys. Yun ang dapat bumili kami ng iba pa na doon, na mga langgunisa tsaka yung bangus. Kaya lang magkakape kasi kami. Baka matunaw siya. Nak-frozen kasi. At meron ding hotdog, yung pulang hotdogs. So, next time, babalik kami doon. Nakakatuwa kasi malapit lang yun. Tapos meron silang Filipino ganito. Lalo na yung dingdong. Matagal na ako naghahanap ng dingdong na ganito Meron sila. Nakakatuwa. Tapos nagpunta pala kami. Kaya kami nagtagal din sa town kanina. Nagpunta kami sa may salon. Hindi ko na binlog. Ang daming tao sa salon Sobrang bihis sila kasi magpapasko. Parang dyan din sa Pinas, no? So, nagpabook si Adrian. Gulat ako, binook niya ako. Dapat si Riona lang papabook namin ng, gupit. Tapos si Adrian, binook niya ako ng kulay at gupit. So, another Christmas presents for my husband. Thank you, babe. Thank you so much. So, ayun. Tapos, yata yun. Medyo matagal din sa, bago pa magpasko yung booking sa akin. Kaya, hihintayin ko na yun. Wait ko na mamuti-muti buhok ko. Na yan, may puti na nga ulit Para 3 weeks ago lang ang kulay niyan. May puti na agad. Ganun na talaga pag getting more younger every year. So, yun guys, gagawa muna ako ng dinner at malapit na rin umuwi si Riona. At tuturuan ko pa si Adrian, si Adrian want to learn to speak Tagalog. So, Practicing Tagalog, oo. Yung palang nagtatanong sa akin kung paano kami nagkakilala ni Adrian, gagawa ako ng video nun. Dapat ngayon nga kaso nga busy kami, naglakad-lakad kami. Tapos minsan naman, pag sinaaya ko siya, sama ka sa vlog ko, minsan naman busy siya. Work. Dito lang, minsan kasi, sa bahay lang siya nag-work. Pero nagpupunta din siya sa London, lalo na nung 2 araw na to, last week. Doon siya punta siya sa office, doon kasi siya nag-work. Okay guys, magluluto na ako ng dinner. Thank you so much sa mga panonood nyo at sa magagandang comment nyo. See you again on our next vlog. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hey, I'm looking for a couch to crash